got to bring up this patio here, or this walkway. So I need to tear out the bricks all the way down for a little ways, and so I can have a gentle slope up. All right, so I've got to tear these bricks out of here so I can ramp it up, get the elevations correct. Man, those are not as easy as I thought they would be to pull out of there. Got to tear all of these pavers up so I can bring the elevation up. And that polymeric sand, woo, that's some tough stuff. It's like rubber. These are gonna have to get cleaned up for sure. So now, gotta go get some of the stuff and put it down, raise it up, slowly from here up. Yeah, it's very tedious. Hundreds of bricks. So I've pretty much removed all the bricks that I need to, but these bricks look like this. You can see the polymeric sand right here, and that's pretty much all got to come off of there. So I'm not exactly sure how we're gonna get that off of there. I'm sure we could scrape it, like with a knife or with a putty knife or something. We are gonna try the pressure washer, try laying these out and maybe washing them that way. I don't know if it's gonna work or not. I'm gonna go get the pressure washer and we're gonna find out. This is a throttle modification that I had to do to make this thing work. The Harbor Freight engine, so the slow is fast. So the turtle means it's in fast mode. And then you prime this, so prime that. Prime it like 4 times or 5. Okay, and then pull on the string. So that there is one miserable SOB of a job. I'm not sure that we really have to take it off, but it's not coming off easily. We've got hundreds of bricks here, so I don't know. That's going to be a tough call. I'm going to go get some road base and start putting some road base down. So washing these bricks over here just turned out not to be good because it's getting water all over and it's just making a big mess on the lawn. So what is this guy doing here? Here he comes. Looky Lou. See him over there? Right there. Looky Lou's. So I just want to wash these off on the driveway. I just think it's going to be a little bit easier, make less mess. I did add some road base here, and I have a little screed system going on, and so I'm going to clean that all up. Hopefully tomorrow I can start laying down the pavers. I don't know. Might be a tall task to get that done. So somebody was saying all your videos are at dusk or at sunset, and I'll tell you the reason why they're at sunset or where the lighting's like this, because it's after work. I have a full-time job and I come home from work and that's when I get to have time to spend in the lawn working. So the only really time that you're going to see me working during the day is on Saturday. It's every other day except for Sunday I'm at work. So I do work a full-time job and I'm proud of it. Well, what is it? What is it? What does he do for a living? What does he do for a living? I've heard it 100 times before. Build custom homes. General contractor, folks. It's about the last time I want to answer that question. I work for a general contractor. We build custom homes. There you go. So that is the reason that a lot of my videos are with this lighting at this time, because I do this work and I film during the week, and then I work on Saturday as well in the lawn. I do not work at my 9 to 5 on Saturday. So I want you guys to stay tuned. So I'm going to be giving away another Gorilla cart or two. Gorilla cart, saw my video that I was giving away. and they wanted to participate in that, and they're going to sponsor me giving away a Gorilla card or two. So stay tuned in the next few videos or whenever it is that we can get them to do it, and we'll go from there. So you can see right here that the four-wheeler kind of tore up the turf, and that's why I like that little yellow one a little bit better. The tires are not as aggressive, and so it's easier on the turf. Got about 2 more loads of bricks to bring over here, 2 or 3. And this is a painstaking job cleaning these bricks. So it's better than the alternative of going and buying new paver stones for $800 to $1,000, I would assume it would cost. Don't know for sure, but about ran over my tape measure here. Don't want to do that. Break it. Looky Lou, looky Lou, looky Lou over there. Right there, looky Lou. Oh, you're Looky Lou? Yeah, yeah. Looky Lou's right there, Looky Lou's. See you guys. Check out this dude coming by, man. He's awesome, look at that. Look at that, motorized skateboard there. Here comes some more over there. Looky Lou's over there saying, oh, what did he do to his lawn? Oh, it looks so bad. The cows. All that stuff. Oh, hey. Oh, yeah. Don't kid yourself. Of course we're having fun. All right. We'll get another load of bricks. It's not too difficult hauling them with this machine. Wouldn't want to do that by hand. Whoa! Whoa! Maybe 2 more loads and we'll be done. So about halfway done. So I'm building up this section right here so I don't have that low spot right there anymore. And likely it'll possibly happen again. I don't know. Before I do anything, I need to get the compactor to compact the road base, and I won't be able to get the compactor until tomorrow.